Hello everyone. Today's topic is BPT theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. This theorem is also known as Thales theorem as the statement was given by a Greek mathematician, that is Thales. Hence it is also called Thales theorem. So we will give the statement of this theorem and we'll prove it also. So this is Thales theorem. What the theorem says is, if a line goes parallel to one side of a triangle which intersects the other two sides at two distinct points, then the sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the theorem given by Thales, divided in the same ratio. I'll draw a figure which will explain you what the theorem says. I will draw up a triangle. This is a triangle. Let this triangle be ABC. So the theorem states, if a line goes parallel to BC, that is one side of a triangle, then it intersects the other two sides, that is AB and AC, at two distinct points. Let those 2 points be D and E. So what the theorem says is, the sides AB and AC are divided in the same ratio. So what we have to prove is, if this line goes parallel to BC, then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Okay. To prove this theorem, we need a construction. Construction is, we have to draw this perpendicular EM. Let's say this point be M, and I am drawing another perpendicular, that is DN. So I have drawn two perpendiculars and one more construction is required. I am joining DC and BE. Okay, the construction, I will write down the construction. Construction is, draw EM perpendicular to AD and DN perpendicular to AE. Okay. Now I am going with the proof of this particular theorem. I'll start with area of triangle ADE. We all know the area of any triangle is half into base into height. We already have constructed an altitude. So just see here ADE. Can I say AD is acting as a base, and what is the corresponding altitude? EM. So can I write down half of AD into EM? Okay. Area of triangle BDE. This is DBE. Okay. This is triangle DB and E. And because this is an obtuse angle triangle, we all know the altitude is always lies outside the triangle. So for this triangle, that is BDE, the altitude is again EM. So can I write down half into BD? BD is the base and altitude EM is lying outside the triangle. So now we are supposed to take the ratio of both these triangles. So ADE upon area of triangle BDE is equal to half, and EM will get cancelled out, so we'll be left out with AD upon BD. I'll mark this as equation number 1. Okay. Now we are supposed to take get one more ratio. Again I'll take up the area of this triangle ADE. This is ADE. Now can we say AE is also acting as a base and the corresponding altitude is DN. So the area of the same triangle ADE can be written as half into AE into DN. Okay, area of triangle DEC, area of triangle DEC. This is DEC. Again, it's an obtuse angle triangle. The altitude is lying outside, which is DN. DN is the altitude. So can I say the area of this triangle DEC is half into EC, which is a base, and DN. So area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC. We are taking the ratio. So again, half and DN will get cancelled out and we will be left out with AE upon EC. We will mark it as equation number 2. Now we will revise one of the concept we had learned in 9th standard. That is, can you see this triangle DEB and DEC? The area of both these triangles will be equal. I think the reason must be very much clear to you. We know that DE and BC are parallels, and DE is a common base for both the triangle BDE and DEC. So we all know the areas of the triangles between two parallels and having a common base are equal. So can I write down triangle area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC, and reason is because they lie between two parallels, and which are the two parallels? DE parallel to BC, and common base is DE. Okay, so the areas are equal. Now what I will be doing is, obviously if their areas are equal, their reciprocal, I will take the reciprocal of both the areas. So can I write down 1 upon area of triangle BDE is equal to 1 upon area of triangle DEC. Now I multiply both the sides with ADE, that is, so what it will change into area of triangle ADE. I multiplied both the sides with area of triangle BDE, that is area of triangle. This will become this thing. Okay, so just look, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE is what? Just look for this equation number 1. So instead of this, can I write down AD upon BD, and area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC is what? AE upon EC. So we have come to conclusion and we have proved this BPT theorem, which states that the ratio, the sides are divided in the same ratio. So we have this theorem, AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. I hope you must have understood the proof of BPT theorem or Thayer's theorem. Now next we will add up corollary and take examples and questions based on BPT theorem, so that the theorem is understood and you will come to know how the theorem has to be implemented. Okay, I hope this particular theorem is clear now. Thank you.